paying on Mercari with Venmo is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Venmo to pay for your Mercari products. So as you know, Mercari is a marketplace in which you can buy probably everything. So let me tell you how you guys can pay with using Venmo. So for that, you just need to add any of the product into your cart. So currently in my case, I don't know why I'm getting some sort of error. Whenever I open any kind of product, this is the message I just see. So I'm going to tell you theoretically how you guys can do that. So you just need to add any of the product that you want to buy, and after you just have to go to your cart. So suppose if I go to this, let me just go to this section, and here I just have to go to my cart. I currently my cart is empty. Now you just have to click on this view cart, and you will be able to see an option for the checkout. So you just have to click on the checkout option, and it will want you to add the payment method. And you just have to add the payment method as a credit or debit card. You can simply put the Venmo's credit card information on the checkout page, and the payment should be deducted from your Venmo account. So if you don't currently have Venmo's credit card, you just need to open up your app and you can easily apply for Venmo's credit card. But if you don't know, you just need to go to your browser and type in apply for the Venmo credit card. If I type on that, and if I go to click on that, and there you guys will be able to see, you just need to sign in and apply, and your credit card will get to you very soon. So you just need to apply for a card, and you guys can make easy payments with your Venmo's credit card. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.